Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Life Science with Nivedita. So this video is about TIFR JGBL's examination, that is Tata Institute of Fundamental Research will activate the link for the admission of PhD, integrated PhD and also MSc. So here they will conduct a national wide examination. Okay, so the students or candidates who got eligibility, so they will provide the stipend, that is a fellowship for their course. Okay, so here this is the main campus which is located in the TIFR Mumbai, that is Tata Institute of Fundamental Sciences. So there are many sub centers are there. Okay, so for example, you can see over here there are 6 sub centers who are coming under this TIFR. So the main thing is the SCAM Bengaluru, that is Center for Applicable Mathematics, and HPCSC Mumbai, that is Homi Bhabha Center for Science Education, and ICTS Bengaluru, that is International Center for Theoretical Sciences, and also NCRA Pune, that is National Center for Radio Astrophysics, and also NCBS Bengaluru, that is National Center for Biological Sciences. So this is mainly for the biological and life science aspirants. And the next thing is TIFR Hyderabad. Okay, so these all are the centers which are coming under this TIFR Mumbai, that is TIFR campus. So you can apply more than one campus. Okay, you can apply for more than one center to do your PhD, integrated PhD and also MSc. For that, you have to qualify this nationwide examination. So then after qualifying, you get a call or mail from the institute, okay, to for the interview. So then you can apply. Okay, so now move on to the examination. What are the subjects and eligibility, stipend, and when the examinations and all. So each and everything they'll provide here. So you can see over here, this is GS 2022, that is graduate school admissions for 2022, which is coming under Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. Okay, so here when come to the important dates. So see, the nationwide entrance examination will conduct on Sunday, December 12, 2021. So for this examination, the online application will start from October 8, 2021. Okay, so remember this, October 8, the link will be activated so you can apply afterwards. Okay, so the last date for application is November 7, 2021. So 1 month date time is there, you can apply. And downloading of all tickets will be from November 22, 2021. Okay, so the examination result will be the candidates shortlisted for the interviews is by the end of Jan 2022. Okay, so now move on to the test timings. So you can see over here the examination, that is on the Sunday, December 12, 2021. So in the morning session, physics, chemistry, computer and system sciences, biology, and in the afternoon session, biology and also mathematics. Okay, so now we will move on to the subjects and programs. Okay, so this is for mathematics, you can see over here, and this is for physics, and this is for chemistry. Okay, so that is in the Mumbai and Hyderabad. So now I will move on to the biology, because my channel is mainly on the biology, right? So that's why I will move on to the biology. So here for biology, for the PhD and also integrated MSc with PhD and also MSc programs. So that is Department of Biological Science, that is in the TIFR Mumbai. Okay, so for here they will offer the MSc, PhD and MSc biology programs, and national, that is NCBS Bengaluru, will provide that PhD, integrated MSc, PhD and also MSc wildlife biology and conservation programs. Okay, so TIFR Center of Interdisciplinary Science, that is in the Hyderabad, also offer PhD and also integrated MSc, PhD programs only. Okay, so here this is mainly for the biology subject candidates. So these all are the courses which are offered from the different institutes. Okay, so for the science education, the PhD program, and the duration of the PhD program is the 5 years, and the integrated MSc with PhD program is 6 years, and MSc program is see details in the respective program. Okay, it depends on your respective program. So this is about selected programs and also the subjects. So now move on to the centers. Okay, the examination center will be on this state. You can see there are many cities are there. So now move on to the Karnataka. For the Karnataka state, the almost okay. So see, for the Karnataka state, Bengaluru and also Mangaluru, only 2 centers are there. Okay, you can opt either Bengaluru or Mangaluru. Okay, so this is about centers for examination, and now we will move on to the other thing what they have provided, that is eligibility. Okay, so now move to eligibility. Candidates in the final year of their qualifying degree can also apply. Means the candidates who are in the final year, okay, whether it is in the masters or in the bachelors. So you also are eligible to apply. So for mathematics, provide for physics, for chemistry, I will move on to the biology section. So candidates will be shortlisted for interview based on written test marks, CV, letters of recommendation, and scientific write-up. Okay, so while applying, they will ask the letter of recommendation of scientific write-up. So you have to fill all these things, okay, and also based on the written test marks. So in the December, the written test will be conducted, right? The nationwide written test. So based on that written test, the candidate will be shortlisted for interview. So for PhD, master in basic science, for this MSc in physics or chemistry or mathematics or any branch of biology will be eligible, or any professional master's degree, that is M.Pharma or M.Tech also eligible, okay, or it is more than 4-year degree program, example MBBS, BDS candidates can also apply. So students holding an MSc degree in a non-biology allied discipline such as chemistry or physics or mathematics or computer science, and who wish to obtain an MSc in biology, will be offered the option of enrolling in the integrated PhD program at the time of joining. Okay, so for integrated PhD and MSc, bachelor's in any basic science, that is physics or chemistry or mathematics or any branch of biology, or any 4-year degree program that awards a bachelor degree, including BTech, BE, BVS, that is veterinary, and BPharm. Okay, it's 4-year course. And for MS, that is for wildlife biology and conservation, Indian nationals who have a bachelor's degree in any discipline with a minimum of 50% in 4 subjects and a strong interest in wildlife research and conservation. So graduate nationals from Central, South, and Southeast Asian countries with similar qualification are also eligible to apply. Okay, so these are the eligibility for applying for this particular examination. So now here also we'll provide the admission procedure. Okay, so this is mainly on the entrance exam result. Okay, so after the results will be announced from the Jan end, they will shortlist the students. And the one more thing about this examination is they will not release the mark sheet of the each candidate. They will only release the selected candidates' names. Okay, so who are the candidates shortlisted for interview? No, so those students or those candidates' name will be announced in the website. So apart from that, the remaining candidates who are not eligible at those marks also, they will not publish. Okay, so this is for biology. That is, you can see, you just go through this link because the NCPS Bangalore will provide mainly for biological sciences, right? So there, and also the ACREC, that is Advanced Center for Treatment, Research and Education in Cancer, Mumbai also coming under, and Ashoka University, Bose Institute, CCMB, CDFD, ICER, okay, that is Kolkata, Pune, and also many things are said. Tirupati, and for integrated MS, that's mathematical sciences for Chennai, in STEM, that is also, which is Institute of Stem Cell Science and Regenerative Medicine, also which is located in the Bangalore, right? So many institutes will linking with this TIFR. Okay, will link with this TIFR. So by this entrance examination, so you can, so see, many institutions are participate. Okay, so by qualifying these examinations, you can eligible to apply. Means you can eligible to apply the interview for many institutes. Okay, so you can apply for this examination. This is good. And also now move on to the fellowship. Okay, so for PhD and integrated PhD programs, the academic year starts from August 1 every year. Okay, so the academic year from MSc programs will be begins from July 1 every year, and for PhD students receive a monthly fellowship of 31,000. Okay, so for PhD students, the monthly fellowship will be 31,000 with hostel accommodation or HRA as applicable. Okay, so it is enhanced to 35,000 after registration. So for integrated PhD students, receive a monthly fellowship of 21,000 with hostel accommodation or HRA as applicable for the first year. At the end of the first year, upon satisfactory performance, the fellowship is enhanced to rupees 31,000 per month. So further it is raised for 35,000 after registration for PhD. Okay, so for MSc biology, students receive a monthly fellowship of rupees 16,000 with HRA as applicable, and for MSc wildlife biology and conservation, students receive a monthly fellowship of 12,000 per month. Okay, so this is about fellowships which are provided from the institutes for the applicable course. Okay, and accommodation is provided for PhD and integrated PhD students only, so not for MSc students. Okay, and also the next thing, the overseas students and many downloads. So you just go through these links. Okay, so I'll provide this link in the description box. You can just go through this. But one thing is, this is a really good institute. Okay, so many institutes will tie up with this TIFR. So it is better to apply for this examination. So if you are coming under this eligibility, so you can apply, and all the very best for this examination. So prepare well. And if you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. And share this video to your friends who are waiting for the PhD, MSc or integrated PhD admissions. Okay, so thank you so much.